closed organ pipe. A closed organ pipe is nothing but a hollow cylindrical pipe which is closed at one end and open at another end. If both ends are open, then it is called as open organ pipe. If one end is closed and another end is open, then it is called as closed organ pipe. In the case of closed and open organ pipes, the air column vibrates to form a stationary wave. Clarinet and trumpet are the examples of closed organ pipes. In the case of closed organ pipes, we will derive the modes of vibrations: fundamental mode, second mode and third mode. In the case of fundamental mode, it is the least probable mode of vibration. It is the least probable mode because here number of antinodes and nodes are minimal. Minimum number of antinodes and nodes are formed, so the fundamental mode of vibration is called as least probable mode of vibration. To form a stationary wave in fundamental mode of vibration, in case of closed organ pipe, we require at least one antinode and one node. Why? Because at open end, the particles of air medium are free to vibrate, so the displacements of the particles are maximum. So antinode is observed at open end. At closed end, node is formed because the particles of the air medium are restricted to vibrate freely. So displacement of the particles is zero, so a node is formed. Another point here we have to remember that a node is formed after an antinode. That is, one node followed by a antinode and another node. In the same way, node is formed after antinode and antinode is formed after node. Next, in the second mode of vibration, we will observe increase in number of antinodes and also increase in the number of nodes. In the same way, in the third mode of vibration also, we will observe increase in number of antinodes and nodes. That is, from fundamental to third mode of vibration, number of antinodes and nodes increased by 1. In this case, we have one antinode. Here we have two antinodes. In the third case, we have three antinodes. In the same way, first case we have only one node. Here we have two nodes and we have here three nodes. Now let us deduce the harmonic frequencies in case of closed organ pipe. For that, let us consider a closed organ pipe of length L. Then we know that the distance between antinode and node is lambda by 4. So L is equal to lambda by 4, that implies lambda is equal to 4L. By substituting lambda value in the frequency formula, n is equal to V by lambda, we get n is equal to V by 4L. This is the first case, so we write N1 here. Here N1 is called as fundamental or first harmonic frequency. Next possibility to form a mode of vibration is as shown in the figure. That is, we require at least 2 antinodes and two nodes. The length of the tube is same, L, and the distance between antinode and node is lambda by 4. This is also lambda by 4 and this is also lambda by 4. Therefore, L is equal to lambda by 4 plus lambda by 4 plus lambda by 4. That is 3 lambda by 4. That implies lambda is equal to 4L by 3. Substituting lambda value in n is equal to V by lambda, we get n is equal to 3V by 4L. Here N3 is equal to 3V by 4L. We have obtained the formula for N3 is equal to 3V by 4L. Observe keenly that N3 is equal to 3 times N1. In the case of open argon pipe, in second case of open argon pipe, we derived that N2 is equal to 2N1. But in this case, in the case of closed argon pipe, we have N3 is equal to 3N1. That is, N2 is equal to 2N1 is not observed here. So, the second case, the frequency is called as third harmonic frequency because N2 is equal to 2N1 is not observed. That is, N2 is equal to 2N1 is not forming a fundamental or mode of vibration. Second mode of vibration is absent here. So N3 is called as third harmonic frequency or first overtone. You have to remember that in the case of closed argon pipe, N3 is called as third harmonic frequency or first overtone. Next possibility to form a mode of vibration, we require additional number of antinodes and nodes. That is 1, 2, 3 antinodes, 1, 2, 3 nodes are required. The length of the tube is same, L. The distance between antinode and antinode is lambda by 4, lambda by 4, lambda by 4, lambda by 4, lambda by 4. That is 5 lambda by 4. L is equal to 5 lambda by 4. That implies lambda is equal to 4L by 5. By substituting lambda value in n is equal to V by lambda, we get n is equal to 5V by 4. Again, N4 is absent here. That is, fourth harmonic frequency is absent here. So, by observing the formula, we can write that N5 is equal to 5N1 because V by 4L is N1. So 5 into N1, that is equal to 5N1. Here N4 is equal to 4N1 is absent. That is, fourth harmonic frequency is not observed in the case of closed argon pipe. Here N5 is called as fifth harmonic frequency or second overtone. Second overtone. So by observing the frequencies, harmonic frequencies, we can clearly say that only odd harmonics are possible in the case of closed argon pipe. So the frequencies ratio in the case of closed argon pipe is N1 is to N3 is to N5 is equal to 1 is to 3 is to 5, because here is 1 and here is 3 and here is 5. And V by 4L is common, V by 4L gets cancelled, so the ratio is 1 is to 3 is to 5. Odd ratios are observed. So the main difference between closed and open argon pipe is that in the case of open argon pipe, all frequencies are possible. In the case of closed argon pipe, only odd frequencies are